Hi everybody, this is week 4 and I'm going to show you an exercise to work on the coaster steps we've been focusing on all month. The next session will start April 9th and run for the 4 weeks. So we get a break next week and you can just practice what we've been doing this month. What did I want to tell you? Let's see, if you're watching on Facebook and it sort of cuts out, it might be an internet thing. And don't forget, you can always go to Country Sweetie on YouTube to watch the whole thing, to review, to ask a question. If you come on live, I can even look at what you're doing and tell you where you're having a problem. So those are the important things. I don't know if I can think of anything else at the moment. It'll come to me, I'm sure. You can also go to Ko-fi.com and buy me a cup of coffee, or ask a question, or sign up for a private one-on-one session, anything like that. All right. So here we go. Let me get rid of this. And here's our little exercise. Is that what I want? Oh, I know. Sorry, gotta switch. There we go. Okay. All right. Well, the camera focuses. I don't know if you can see, I have 2 little pieces of paper, one there and one there. So when you're doing your coaster step, you want to make sure you move your body and move up and walk back. Or you might be going back together and walk forward. So our exercise for the coaster step, and probably next month I'll try to do my exercise at the top of the month so you can work on that. So the exercise would be start with your right foot and we'll do a forward coaster. So forward, together, back. Now I'll do a back coaster with my left foot. Back, together, forward. So you can just do that several times. Quick, quick, slowly, quick, quick, slowly, quick, quick, slowly. So the counts would be 1, 2, 3, hold 4. 1, 2, 3, hold 4. If it helps, clap on that 4, because no matter how fast or slow you go, that space is there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I go fast, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hurry up and wait. And hurry up and wait too. You gotta hold that silent beat. Biggest problem for beginners or anybody learning to dance. Sometimes there's a hurry up and wait. There's a pause. And no matter how fast or slow you go, it's there. Then I would reverse and start with the left foot and do a forward on your left, forward, together, back, and then do a coaster with your right going back, back, together, forward. So you work both sides, forward and back, back and forward, forward and back, back and forward. All right, so that's our little exercise for you to work on. I'll put these away. I pull them out all the time for students. All right, next. Sorry. All right, next. Let's get rid of this one. Okay. Here we go. Let's go over our first one, which is they call this love. This is a 2-wall, and we have, I'll review it, and then we'll do it like if you were out dancing. My goal is to help you to learn to dance. So do these and then forget them. Don't go looking for them somewhere. These are oldies, they're beginners, they're just repetitive. Learning to dance is little increments at a time. Get your glass of wine, take a look at this, spend, not forever, spend 15 minutes and then go on. But look at it all the time. Maybe look every day for 15 minutes, but not I'll work on this for an hour till I memorize it. That's not going to help you learn to dance, in my humble opinion, unless you're going to do that every day. If you want to work 8 hours a day, every day, like they do with Dancing in the Stars, then you're going to get somewhere. But just memorizing that one little section, that one little dance is not going to get you where you want to go. Okay, so we have walk to a forward coaster, walk to and a back coaster. Then we have our side rocks with that syncopation. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. Now here is the funky thing on this one. I'm going to call it a swivel and not a pivot because we are not changing weight. We're going right, right. So maybe a swivel or a twist, but you're not changing weight. If we were doing a rock step, I would change weight and have my, or if I was doing a pivot, I would change weight and have my right foot free. But this is a little cheat, one of those little cheaty steps where you're going to go right, right, and then a back coaster with your left. So let's repeat that again. 1, 2, coaster step. 1, 2, coaster step. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and right, right, coaster step. The other oddity about this dance is it's only 3/8. 3/8 is an odd amount because it doesn't flow with the phrasing of the music. And a lot of songs it won't matter and they're still fun, but it doesn't fit with the phrasing of the music. It's like turning before you get the corner of the street. I'm just going to turn in this person's driveway and cut through driveways. It's just not. It doesn't go with the flow. You could do it if it's an alleyway or I'm cutting through this alleyway, things can get done. But generally the phrasing of 3, so if you're choreographing, keep those things in mind. 4 would be much better. All right, here we go, hopefully. It's thinking. We always have trouble with the music and I don't know why. What happens if I stop it for 2 seconds? All right, I'm hoping it'll kick in a minute. So 1, 2, coaster step. 1, 2, coaster step. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, coaster step. 1, 2, coaster step. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right. Why does it do this? Hold on.
Power off. Power on. Bluetooth pairing. Bluetooth connected.
All right. Ooh. See, I honestly don't know why it does this. Right before we start, it's working, and there's something in the air that messes up the internet. Come on, please start. Oh, you try a different song if it'll come on. Okay. It doesn't like this song. Ready? And 1, 2, coaster step. 1, 2, coaster step. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and right, coaster step. 1, 2, coaster step. 1, 2, coaster step. 1, 2, coaster step. Right and right and right, right. 1, 2, coaster. 1. Right and right and right, right. Coaster step. 1, 2, coaster. 1, 2, coaster. 1 and 1 and right, right. Coaster step. 1, 2, coaster step. Right and 1, 2, coaster step. 1, 2, coaster step. 1 and right, 1, 2, coaster step. 1, 2, coaster step. Again. Alright. Okay. Moving on. We're going to move on to Sweet Delight. Okay. Sweet Delight was side, touch, walk, 2, 3, touch. Now we have our salsa. Quick, quick, slow. Notice I'm hedging back a little bit. That's why I call it a salsa. But you could go quick, quick together. But quick, quick, slow. Then I'm going to do my coaster. Back together, front. Then we're going to chasse forward. Chasse forward. There we go. Now we do have a pivot. Again, we bring our feet together, so it's only a quarter turn, so it's not even a half turn. Right, left. So you're just kind of going right, bring your left foot in. Then you're going to go cross hold, touch hold, break, 2, 3, kick. So let's do that again. We have side, touch, walk, 2, 3, touch, rock, step, hold, coaster, hold, chasse, hold, right, left, cross, hold, touch, hold, break, 2, 3, kick. And then we repeat. So again, if you had questions, I don't see anybody on right now. If you had questions, you could text them to me right now if you're unsure and you're trying this at home. But let's try it together. Ready? And side, touch. 1, 2, 3, touch. 1 and hold. 1 and hold. 1 and hold. Right, left. Hold. Break, 2, 3, kick. Side, touch. Walk, 2, 3, touch. Hurry up and wait. Right, left, cross, hold, touch, hold, break, 2, 3, kick, side, touch, walk, 2, 3, touch, rock and hold, coaster hold, chasse hold, right, left, cross, hold, touch, hold, break, 2, 3, kick, side, touch, walk, 2, 3, touch, rock and hold, coaster hold, chasse coaster, hold, chasse, hold, right, left, cross, hold, touch, hold, break, 2, 3, kick, side, touch. 1, 2, 3, touch, rock and hold, coaster, hold, chasse, hold, right, hold, hold, right, 2, 3, kick. 1, 2, 3, touch. Chasse, right, left, up, hold, break. 1, 2, 3, touch. Coaster, chasse, hold, right, left, cross, touch, break, 2, 3, kick. Okay, so that one was probably a little trickier for newbies. When you run out of space, you can't, I always gotta talk to the camera and not look at the screen. You have to do all your steps. Just because you run out of space doesn't mean you don't do the steps. You have to keep doing the steps. You do in place, but keep going. So walk, 2, 3, touch, say forward, step, touch, and then I'll move to get out of the way. But you need to do all your steps all the time. You can't drop them, okay? Because then you lose your place and you're looking at everybody to figure out where you are. All right, the third one we had this week was till you can't. All right, so till you can't, we have our rumba box, side together, back, hold, side together, front, hold, rock, step, coaster, step, rock, step, coaster, step. Let's not forget that a rock step has 2 steps. Rock, step. Don't just tap and go. Rock, step, and a coaster has a coaster, step. Same thing, you can't just sort of shift back for the coaster. So you have to do all your steps all the time. When you get better, it doesn't look like it because we're moving through our hips. But we are changing weight, right, left. But as a beginner, pick it up, put it down, up, down, up, down. Get those feet in your home, in your own little living room, in your own little space. Pick your feet up. So side together, back, 4. 1, 2, 3, hold 4. If you have to do that, clap. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rock, step, coaster, step. Rock, step, coaster, step. Then we're going to break right and left. 1, 2, 3, touch. 1, 2, 3, touch. That's the 4. Now we have our chase turn. A chase turn, I'm going to do a pivot, meaning I'm going to change weight. It's 2 steps, a rock step, right, left, chasse, forward, left, pick it up, put it down, right, chasse, forward. Okay? So that was when you do your rock turn. Pick your foot up and put it, you can't just, this is called a paddle turn. This is a paddle turn. 1 and 1 and 1 and we want 2 counts. 1, 2, chop, chop, chop. 1, 2, chop, chop, chop. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. A turning rock and a chasse, a turning rock and a chasse. And I'm going to turn to my left. I'm going to turn to my right. All right? So let's do this again before we try with music. Side, switch, walk back. Side, switch, walk forward. Rock, step, coaster, step. Rock, step, coaster, step. grape, 2, 3, touch, grape, 2, 3, touch, rock, step, chasse forward, rock, step, chasse forward. Start again. This was actually a one-wall dance. So let's try with music. I thought there was something I wanted to tell you, but I lost it. It'll come back to me, I'm sure. All right, let's try this one. See, when we hesitate, if I don't keep the music going, so annoying.
Power off. Power on. Bluetooth pairing. Bluetooth connected.
All right, let's see if that'll do it. Come on, did I hit it? Why does it keep going on? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. Rock, step, coaster. Rock, step, coaster. Break, 2, 3, touch. Break, 2, right foot. Right, left, chasse. Left, right, from the top. 1, 2, 3, hold 4. 1, 2, 3, hold 4. Rock, step, coaster. Rock, step, coaster. Break, 2, 3, touch. Break, 2, 3, touch. Rock, step. Rock, step. Did I skip? 1, 2, 3, hold 4. And rock, step, coaster. Rock, step, break 5. Break, 2, 3. Break, chase, turn. Rock, step, chasse. Rock, step, chasse. Rock. Rock, step, coaster. Rock, step, coaster. Break, 2, 3. Break, 2, chase, turn. Rock, step, forward. Rock, step, forward. Break. Break. Rock, step, coaster. Rock, step, coaster. Break, 2, 3, touch. Chase, forward, turn, forward. Forward, turn, forward. 3, 4. Rock, step, coaster, step. Get some movement there. Break. Break. Rock, step, chasse. Rock, step, chasse. Side, switch, walk back. Side, switch, walk forward. Rock, step, coaster. Okay. Sorry about the music. Something with the internet, or we do have storms going on, so it's worse than normal. But I'll just come back here. All right, so thank you very much. Remember now, I won't see you again till April 6th. and I'll decide on a new area of focus and an exercise and 3 new dances, and just plug at this little by little, working on it. The best thing you can do is like my video, share my video, subscribe, join, whatever they call it, and help me grow. Because I want to make learning to dance accessible to everybody. All right, thank you very much.